We purchased these Ariaza shower curtain magnets to help keep our liner tightly closed and prevent water from splashing out onto the floor. They came in a compact but sturdy cardboard box. Opening it up, we found everything protected in a small bubble wrap bag. This is the 8-pack set with adhesive metal discs that will work on any typical shower surface, including tile, glass, and fiberglass. With the bag open, we pull out 2 of the magnets. They are about 5/8 inches in diameter and have a decent strength magnet, but not too strong, making them secure, but not too difficult for the curtain to open. This is important, as since they are pins that poke through your curtain, you don't want them tearing it. Emptying the rest of the contents from the bag, we also find 8 metal discs. They have adhesive on one side and a protective, blue peel-off film on the other side. The kit also includes a short, but pretty informative instruction sheet with a few important tips. In particular, to open the clips, you need to insert your fingernail or a pair of scissors between the tail cap and the back cover. This unlocks the grip of the backing on the pin. Also make sure the surface is clean before you adhere the metal disc. And here are the installed magnets in use. The final result is a clean, draft-free shower experience that keeps water inside where it belongs.